Hi, now we are going to see surface finish flowline toolpath. Uh, last time I have made roughing toolpath, but I don't know, I have unknowingly deleted. So now I will make both roughing and finishing toolpath together. First of all, let us make the stock model. I will create edge curve now. Uh, okay, and that's other side also. Okay, now I'll go here. Only wireframe I'll select. I'll add little thickness. Okay, and otherwise you can change the color also. So little I increase the thickness. So now we'll go solid extrude. Chain I selected. Okay. Height I can select directly. This is my solid. Okay. So this I have made the stock model. At present beginning is not separate. We will just move it to the layer. Okay, I'll move to the stock. I remove the stock now. Now we'll make the rough parallel tool path. Then we'll go for first we'll do the roughing low line tool path. So cavity I selected. Okay. So this is the cavity I am going to machine. Okay. If you want to check surface, you can give it flow direction. You can see. Make it offset. So now flow direction is I need to change. If you want to change the start point, you can change it. So I will select the ball and mill for roughing. If you want some other tool also, you can use it. I will select double mill for or dia 4 or 0.5. Okay. So it means that at the bottom it leaves little material. Okay. So 0.25 step over, maximum step down, 0.5. I give in depth distance. Cutting method is exact. I will say, so I add some little extension here. Length I will make it 5 mm. Here smooth I will add. If you want optimize cut order, you must have switch on. Okay, no problem. So other things I am accepting. It's regenerating now. So now I can say that optimize cutter is switched on now. Hmm. So I just change the check surface. Okay, I change the check surface stop now. Okay, and regenerate. Okay, there are a lot of retraction. Let us see now. Okay, this is the roughing. Now we'll go toolpath, surface, finish. Flowline toolpath. Okay, accept. Again, direction and other thing. Offset first, then cutting direction you change it to the. Okay, and you can select 3 ball and stop keep 0. Then you can reduce instead of scale of light, you can give a step over distance 0.2. Here you can make it smooth, and extension you can give 5 mm. Radius if you want you can give. Okay, now you can see that. So now we can select all and verify. Before that we need to select our stock. Now I'll switch on the first stock. Then I'll select here from the parameter. I'll select the solid model. This is okay. I selected the solid model. Mm, okay. So now we'll go for toolpath and verify. So just to differentiate the roughing and finishing, I change the color for each cutting operation. So now it does the roughing operation. This is very small tool. We should not take any risk. Okay. Here we have given stock point to stock given in the roughing. This is the finishing tool. Okay. This is the roughing and the finishing. So this is the surface finish flow line tool path. Okay. So you can check STL comparison to check whether it has any stock left out. So I'll keep comparating tolerance 0.1. Okay, so now you can see that it is perfectly cut. Okay, this is the surface finish parallel and rough parallel and finish parallel. So this tool both also one entry and one exit. Okay, so this is surface finish uh, parallel tool path. Okay, you can see that step over. Okay, how smooth it has made the tool path. Okay, so I think we are you can save this file. Huh? Okay, thank you. So we have seen the surface finish flow line tool path. Thank you.